Schlage smart locks are generally reliable, but they can sometimes fail after replacing the batteries. This typically happens because the power interruption during replacement causes the lock's microcontroller to enter an error state, preventing proper initialization. Another common issue is mechanical misalignment of the deadbolt after the battery change. For Schlage smart locks, use high-quality AA batteries, preferably lithium types for extended life of 1 to 2 years. Lithium batteries provide higher capacity compared to alkaline, ensuring longer runtime. The lock requires batteries that deliver 6 to 9 volts DC total when combined. Voltage drops during battery replacement can cause the lock to malfunction. Using certified batteries from Schlage prevents voltage mismatch issues. Remove the old batteries from your Schlage lock. Wait 30 seconds to allow the capacitors to fully discharge. Insert new batteries with the positive end first, ensuring they match the plus symbols in the compartment. Using low-quality batteries can lead to voltage drops, causing the lock to malfunction. If your Schlage lock beeps erratically or doesn't respond after replacing the batteries, perform a hard reset to clear temporary memory and restore function. First, remove all 4 AA batteries from the lock compartment. Wait 5 minutes to allow any residual charge to fully discharge from the system. Next, reinsert the 4 AA batteries. For encode models, hold the Schlage button on the keypad while inserting the batteries. For older models like the Century, use the reset hole instead. This hard reset process clears the lock's temporary memory and reboots the system, resolving firmware glitches that may occur after battery replacement. To fix mechanical issues after battery replacement, manually align the deadbolt by extending it halfway. Then, remove all batteries for 30 seconds. Reinsert batteries while pressing the outside button. This syncs the motor with the bolt position, teaching the lock its full range of motion. Use the Schlage app for guided troubleshooting of battery replacement issues. The app features AI-assisted diagnostics that quickly identify problems and suggest fixes. Integration with smart home ecosystems like Google Home and Apple HomeKit allows for automated resets, making the fix process much simpler. To ensure your Schlage lock works reliably after battery replacement, keep it updated with the latest firmware. Allegion provides over-the-air updates that specifically address battery-related bugs. Over-the-air updates are delivered through Allegion's system, sending firmware patches via the cloud to fix issues like battery calibration errors. Use the Schlage Home app to check for and install firmware updates. Navigate to Settings, then Firmware, to apply patches that resolve battery problems. Stay informed about recalls. For example, the 2023 Encode Plus recall addressed battery compartment jams. Visit Schlage's support site to check if your model is affected and follow their repair instructions. The future of smart locks is moving toward low-power electronics and energy harvesting. Schlage is developing locks that capture kinetic energy from everyday use, like turning the knob, to reduce battery dependence by up to 30%. Instead of batteries, future locks will be rechargeable through USB-C ports, making replacements unnecessary. Battery-free options like NFC-powered locks eliminate the need for any power source, using reverse power technology from your phone. By 2030, Schlage predicts that 70% of their smart locks will be either battery-free or easily rechargeable, greatly reducing the frustration of battery replacements and related failures.